Dear Sir, I am writing you to bring to your attention the prevailing peace and order situation and rampant violation of human rights in our locality, which has been aggravated upon due to the inaction and biased leadership of the present police leadership in Abra, in particular, and in the Cordillera region in general. It must be noted that despite the peace accord between the opposing political groups in our locality, there has never been a cessation of political killings, and the violation of human rights is in its high-rise record. This is mainly due to the ineptitude, bias, and lack of sincerity of the police leadership in the region headed by Chief Superintendent Eugene Martin and the Provincial Director of the PNP in Abra, Senior Superintendent Alexander Pumecha, to implement the law due to their political leanings. In this regard, we strongly recommend the immediate relief of Chief Superintendent Martin and Senior Superintendent Pumecha for the following reasons. Failure to arrest the real suspects in the recent assassination of Sangguniang Bayan member Pedro Enon Sr. right inside his house in Banguel. Failure to arrest the suspects in the near-fatal shooting of Sangguniang Bayan Reste Duarte and 3 others right in front of their house in Banguel. Failure to arrest the suspects and the masterminds in the ambush of Dominador Malucas, Renato Lia in Alawa, when they are about to pick up a sick patient in the locality who needed immediate medical attention. Failure to arrest the conspirators and mastermind in the assassination of my wife, Brenda Quisologo, Teenage Human Resource Development Officer, who was gunned down right during the canvassing of votes in the last local elections. The assassins were watchers of the opposing party in the elections. Suspects continue to freely roam around in the locality. Failure to totally implement the confiscation of loose firearms of private armed groups in the locality, causing fear among the residents in the municipality. The high incidence of criminality in the area will prevail if the leadership of the police organization remains unchanged. What we need are efficient police officers with no known political padrinos and who are willing to implement the law without fear or favor. Our municipality continues to suffer from political stagnation due to political killings. Problems in peace and order will most affect our local residents, our lowly residents, whose only source of income and livelihood is stealing their land in the farthest town in Abra. We request that the unbiased police officers of known probity, who has no political leanings in the province and in the region, be appointed to replace Chief Superintendent Martin and Pumecha. We further request that the agency conduct investigations to the various killings perpetrated by members of private armed groups known to be followers of political personages. With your leadership in the Philippine National Police, we look forward for the immediate and favorable action regarding our request for the interest of the people of Tineg. Thank you and more power. Very truly yours, Edwin B. Quisologo Sr., Municipal Mayor. Attachments. Dahil pang attachments nila.